Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss this geometry problem. As you can see, you have given an isosceles trapezoid ABCD with side length AD equals to BC equals to 5, AB equals to 4 and DC equals to 10. Here the point C lies on the side FD and B is actually the midpoint of the hypotenuse DE in the right angle triangle DEF. Okay. And now you have to find out the length of CF. Okay, so first of all, I want to mark these side length. AB is what? AB is 4. AB is 4. BC, AD and BC both are 5. AD is 5. Here BC is 5. And the side length DC, this one. This side length is 10 unit. Okay. And remember one point. B is actually what? B is the midpoint. B is the midpoint of the hypotenuse ED. So first of all, AB drop perpendicular from B to the side FD. And suppose M be the foot of the perpendicular. Then by midpoint theorem. M is also a midpoint. M is also a midpoint of FD, because B is a midpoint of ED and BM is parallel to EF. Then definitely M is what? M is a midpoint of FD. Okay, draw one more perpendicular from the point A. To the side length FD, and suppose this foot of perpendicular is N. Okay, then obviously ABCD becomes what? ABCD becomes a rectangle. So the length MN is what? 4, and DN, I think DN equals to what? DN equals to MC, and DN equals to MC equals to what? This is equals to DC minus MN whole by 2. That comes out to be 10 minus 4, that is 6 by 2. That comes out to be 3. Okay, and if DN is 3, therefore what is the length of DM? DM is what? DN equal to DN plus MN. DN is what? DN is 3 and MN is what? 4. So the length of DM is 8. And remember one point. M is what? M is the midpoint of DF. So if M is a midpoint, then we can write DF. DF equals to what? 2 times. DF is 2 times DM. So DF becomes what? 14. DF becomes 14. Therefore, what is the length of CF? We can write CF equals to DF minus DC. DF is 14 and DC is actually 10. Therefore, the length of CF is clearly 4. Thanks for watching.